For vocab this week, let's take a field trip to a horse farm. In this video, you can see the barn or stable where the horses are kept. Each horse is kept in a stall where the horse can get water and food. Also, when you ride horses, you will need items that are called tack for the horses. Tack can include saddles, stirrups, bridles, halters, reins, bits, and harnesses. In any barn, you definitely need a cat or two to keep the mice away and other rodents who want to come in. Taking care of horses is a very important and very big job. You have to brush them, clean them, and make sure they're healthy because they cannot do it themselves. Your first vocab word is singular. Singular means one. This video shows a horse hanging out all by himself. The brown horse is singular. Singular means one. Your next vocab word is plural. Plural means two or more. How many horses can you spot in this video? This video was shot at Blue Point Stables and they have a lot of horses. Plural. Plural means two or more. First person point of view. The character telling the story is using I, me, and we words because they are the main character in the story. An example of a story would be, I went to the stable and rode on a horse. I had so much fun at my lesson. We all learned a lot from our instructor. This short story was said from the first person point of view. First person point of view. The character telling the story is using I, me, and we words because they are the main character in the story. Agriculture. Agriculture is the science and art of farming. Remember, farming has to do with not only plants, but animals, chickens, cows, goats, everything of that nature is considered agriculture. Beautiful farmland and how they harvest food, all of that is agriculture. Agriculture, science and art of farming. I am so proud of you learning all this vocab.